Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have something truly remarkable to explore: LG's premium micro-LED TV. Designed for home entertainment, it promises to deliver stunning 4K images on a jaw-dropping 118-inch display, all while providing easy access to content through LG's WebOS. Let's dive into this incredible piece of technology. Before we delve into the details of LG's premium micro-LED TV, let's take a moment to appreciate how far home entertainment has come. From those old boxy TVs to the sleek and immersive displays of today, technology has revolutionized our viewing experience. In recent years, we've witnessed a shift towards larger screens and higher resolutions. LG has been at the forefront of this transformation, consistently pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of home entertainment. Their latest creation, the premium micro-LED TV, is a testament to their commitment to innovation. With LG's premium micro-LED TV, we're talking about the epitome of modern home entertainment. It combines cutting-edge technology with an immense 118-inch display to bring the cinematic experience right into your living room. At the heart of this TV lies micro-LED technology, and it's a game-changer. Micro-LEDs are tiny, self-emissive light sources that can deliver incredibly vibrant and precise colors. They also offer perfect black levels, enhancing contrast for a lifelike viewing experience. This level of precision is what sets micro-LED technology apart. Unlike traditional LED TVs that rely on backlighting, micro-LEDs are capable of individually lighting each pixel on the screen. This not only results in exceptional clarity and color accuracy, but also eliminates the dreaded blooming effect seen in some other displays. Think about it, every pixel on this 118-inch screen is individually lit, providing exceptional clarity and color accuracy. It's like having a theater-quality display right at home. But the greatness doesn't stop there. LG's premium micro-LED TV comes equipped with WebOS, LG's intuitive smart platform. It offers seamless content access, making it effortless to stream your favorite shows, movies, and apps. LG's WebOS has earned a reputation for its user-friendly interface and smooth navigation. Whether you're a tech guru or just looking for a hassle-free viewing experience, WebOS caters to your needs. It's a platform designed to enhance your interaction with the TV, ensuring that you spend more time enjoying content and less time wrestling with menus. Whether you're into streaming services, gaming, or even browsing the web, WebOS provides a user-friendly experience, ensuring that you spend more time enjoying content and less time navigating menus. As we wrap up, it's clear that LG's premium micro-LED TV is a game-changer in home entertainment. With its stunning 118-inch micro-LED display and user-friendly WebOS interface, it takes your viewing experience to new heights. This TV isn't just about watching, it's about experiencing content in a way that immerses you completely. The combination of micro-LED technology and WebOS ensures that you're not just a viewer, but an active participant in the world of entertainment. LG's LSAL006 is truly a game-changer in the world of home entertainment. Imagine having an immersive 118-inch screen right in your living room, delivering stunning 4K resolution. This isn't just a TV, it's a cinematic experience. What sets this display apart is LG's micro-LED technology. With a minuscule pixel pitch of only 0.68 millimeters, every inch of the screen is a masterpiece of color and clarity. This technology ensures that you're not just watching content, you're living it. But it's not just about the size and resolution. The LSAL006 exudes elegance and scale that befit a super-luxury residence. It's not just a piece of tech, it's a statement of style and sophistication. Imagine how this display can transform your living space, becoming the centerpiece of your home. It's not just a TV, it's a work of art that seamlessly blends technology with aesthetics. Beyond the stunning visuals, the LSAL006 offers a user experience like no other. It comes equipped with LG's WebOS, a smart platform known for its intuitive navigation and seamless content access. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, playing games, or simply browsing the web, WebOS makes it effortless. It's about enjoying content without the usual hassles. So, what does all this mean for you? With the LSAL006, you're not just getting a TV, you're getting a gateway to a world of possibilities. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or simply someone who values quality entertainment, this display has something for everyone. Picture quality is at the forefront of the LG Magnet's design, and it shows. With MicroLED technology, this display takes your viewing immersion to unprecedented heights, right in the comfort of your home. What sets this apart is the microscale pixels, each minuscule yet mighty in delivering impeccable image reproduction. The integration of LG's surface treatment technology ensures that you're not just seeing pictures, you're experiencing vivid colors and outstanding contrast. MicroLED pixels are the stars of the show here. They are self-emissive, which means each pixel emits its own light. This results in perfect black levels, infinite contrast ratios, and stunning color accuracy. Imagine enjoying your favorite movies and shows with colors that pop, details that astound, and black levels that deepen the immersive experience. It's like having a cinema right in your living room. But what does all of this mean for you, the viewer? It means you're in for a visual feast every time you turn on the LG Magnet. Whether you're a movie aficionado, a gaming enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates top-notch image quality, this display has you covered. Gone are the days when you had to leave the comfort of your home to experience mind-blowing visuals. With the LG Magnet, your home becomes the ultimate entertainment hub. At the heart of the LG Magnet lies LG's Alpha 9 intelligent processor, often referred to as Alpha 9. This powerhouse of a processor takes your viewing experience to the next level by optimizing picture quality for various types of content, be it movies, sports, or games. What sets this processor apart is its reliance on advanced deep learning algorithms and an extensive visual database. This enables it to intelligently analyze the content you're watching and make real-time adjustments to image quality. One of the standout features is the automatic genre-based picture optimization. Imagine watching a thrilling action movie and then seamlessly switching to a sports event or a thought-provoking drama. With LG Magnet, the display automatically adjusts to suit the genre you're immersed in. The result? An image that's not just visually stunning but perfectly tailored to the content. It's like having a personal picture quality assistant. But it doesn't stop there. LG Magnet takes care of every detail. It features AI brightness control, ensuring that your viewing environment is always comfortable. No more squinting at a blinding screen during nighttime scenes. And let's not forget about the little things that matter. The processor enhances facial detail, making every expression crystal clear, and it excels at upscaling on-screen text. It's all about boosting usability and your sense of immersion. As we wrap up, remember that the LG Magnet isn't just about delivering exceptional visuals, it's about making your entire viewing experience effortless and enjoyable. It's your smart companion in the world of entertainment. One of the standout features of the LG Magnet is the inclusion of LG's own WebOS smart TV platform. This platform has become synonymous with easy navigation and seamless access to a vast array of popular streaming apps. Imagine having quick access to streaming giants like Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, and YouTube, all at your fingertips. It's the convenience of having your entertainment needs met without the hassle. But it's not just about what you see, it's also about what you hear. The LG Magnet doesn't disappoint in this department either. It boasts two powerful 50W 4.2 channel speakers that deliver bold, cinematic sound. Whether you're engrossed in an action-packed movie or indulging in your favorite music, these speakers bring your content to life with sound that's as vibrant as the visuals on the screen. And there's more good news for audio enthusiasts. LG Magnet supports Enhanced Audio Return Channel, or EARC. What does that mean? It means that you can enjoy the full audio glory of your content, no compromises. No matter if it's high-quality audio from streaming apps or the latest gaming experiences, EARC ensures that the sound quality matches the visual brilliance of the LG Magnet. As we wrap up, it's clear that the LG Magnet is designed to elevate your entertainment experience on all fronts. From easy access to your favorite content to bold, cinematic sound, it's your all-in-one entertainment solution. When it comes to staying connected, the LG Magnet has you covered. It boasts seamless connectivity options, making it a breeze to link up with your other devices. Whether you're an Apple or Android user, there's something for everyone.